Assalamu alaikum dear aspirants. I'm going to start a series of short videos in the form of crash course that will include 10 most important topics that are likely to come in CSS 2021 and in the descriptive test held by different provincial commissions such as RFO test held by Sindh Public Service Commission. The 10 most important topics include China-Iran strategic deal, UAE-Israel deal and its impact on Pakistan, COVID-19 and its implication on Pakistan, US elections, Sino-Indian recent clash, CPEC, as well as other topics that are likely to come in your next attempt. We will start with China-Iran strategic deal. The China-Iran strategic cooperation includes $400 billion investment that was drafted on 24th of June 2020. It includes telecommunication, that includes 5G, number 2, infrastructure, number 3, banking, number 4, free trade zones and military cooperation in the form of intelligence sharing and weapon designing. Now, what are the dividends for China in this deal? Number 1, it will upgrade its Belt and Road Initiative that includes more than 86 countries. Number 2, it will add another feeder in the string of pearl strategy of China that includes commercial, trade and alliances starting from Southeast Asia to the Middle East. It will also help China to reduce US Navy's pressure to disrupt oil supplies. And lastly, it will address Malacca's dilemma, the Strait of Malacca that is controlled by India. So it will also help it to address these challenges. Now, in this China-Iran strategic deal, what are the impacts on Pakistan? This deal will have positive as well as negative impact on Pakistan. So we will start with the positive impacts. The China-Iran strategic deal positively impact in the 5 forms. Number 1, it will link Pakistan's China-Pakistan economic corridor with Iran. And it will also include the Middle East with Pakistan. Number 2, strategic leverage. CPEC with connectivity with the Iran and Middle East will have strategic leverage on these countries as well as on China. Number 3, Pakistan will become conduit for Iranian oil and gas. So Pakistan can also address its energy problem with the help of Iran's oil. And it will help Pakistan to repair relations with Iran. And lastly, it will address Pakistan's Char-Bar dilemma because India was going to invest on the Char-Bar and it was likely to disrupt CPEC project. Now, India has withdrawn due to US pressure from the Char-Bar port and China has recently invested in the Char-Bar port. And now, let's come to the negative impacts. It will have 3 negative impacts on Pakistan. The China-Iran strategic deal of 25 years will have 3 negative impacts on Pakistan. Number 1, it will push Pakistan in the Sunni-Shia power struggle in the Middle East. Number 2, it will lose Kingdom of Saudi Arabia's confidence in the CPEC because it was likely to invest in the oil refinery in the Gwadar. And number 3, Pakistan will also face US pressure because US has imposed sanction on China and Pakistan is going to import technology and machinery to upgrade its third coal and that machinery will be provided by USA. So General Electric Company. The US can also impose pressure on Pakistan. So this is all about China-Iran strategic deal. Thank you.